In this video, I will show you how to sharpen blurry pictures for free without Photoshop. First of all, open any app store on your device and search Remini Video Editing app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Install button to install it first, and then tap on Open. As I have already installed it, I will simply tap on Open. The app will open. Tap on Get Started, then tap on Skip. After that, tap on Accept All and Continue. Tap on Continue to proceed. Tap on this arrow. If you don't want to buy the premium version, then tap on Cross at top right corner. Tap on Allow to give it access to your photos and videos. Now select the image you want to sharpen. Tap on Enhance. Also, you would have to watch an ad for sharpening your blur picture in it because you are using the free version. You can see the before and after result now by dragging this line forward and backward. It's amazing to see how much the app can improve your image. Tap on the download arrow available at the top right corner, then tap on Save. Watch the ad, and once it's over, your image will be saved in your gallery. Remini offers various other enhancement tools. Feel free to explore them to get the most out of the app. Keep your app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements.